Okay, so some of you have been having difficulty figuring out how to post a picture on the submission page for assignments, and so I'm going to show you how to do that right now with an example. So on my screen here, I'm mirroring my cell phone screen. If you have your smartphone and you take a picture, or you have somebody else take a picture, then I'm going to go in and find that picture in my gallery. And if I pull it up, you'll notice, so I've taken a picture of me, looking great as always, and I'm going to share this picture. And I have a couple of options. If you have an Android, you should have the option to save to drive right away. If you can do that, that's the easiest way to do it. The goal is to get this picture saved in our drive. If you don't have that option, then you should be able to email it to yourself with Gmail. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to hit Gmail, and I'm going to send it to myself. There I am, and I'm going to hit send. Okay, now if I pull up my email, I should see an email from me at the very top, and there's my picture. Okay, so now you're on your Chromebooks. Once you're on your Chromebooks, when you hover over the image, you should see an option that says Save to Drive. I'm going to do that. I'm just going to click Save to Drive. Alright, once I have it saved to my drive, here's my activity submission page, and I need to drop it into this box here. So there's some instructions over here. It says click on the box. I did that. Then click Insert. Insert is up here. Image. Right there. And I'm going to select it from the Google Drive. And if I pull that open, I should be able to find, there it is. There's my picture. And if I double click that, now my picture is in my activity page. Okay, and it says over here, make sure that you resize the row. That's literally just make it the same size as the picture, just like that. And that's it. Once you've done that, that's the only thing you need to learn how to do as far as uploading pictures for these assignments.